Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be reading the book, Scary, Scary Halloween. I get scared easily, so I hope that I do not get scared while we're reading this book. And our book today is by Eve Bunting. She's the author, so she wrote the story. And then these wonderful pictures were drawn by Jane Brett. If we look at the front cover here, I see some green eyes. I wonder what kind of creatures those are. I hope I do not get scared. All right, I will be providing aided language input using the Core First vocabulary from Toby Dynavox on a word wall poster today. All right, let's open our book and see what our story is about. Those are some pretty Halloween pictures. I do love Halloween. I love the fall leaves whenever they turn colors. And I do like costumes, so witch costumes and ghosts. And we have some bats here. Oh, and I really do love making jack-o'-lanterns. Ooh. We see pumpkins, and the sun is going down, so it's going to be nighttime soon. Scary, scary Halloween. Look at this tree. It looks like it has faces on it. Scary faces. I peer outside, and there is something there that makes me shiver, spikes my hair. It must be Halloween. We see those green eyes again. I wonder what it is. A skeleton with bones so white they gleam and glimmer in the night has come for Halloween. Ooh. A ghost goes trailing, drifting by with sunken mouth and sunken eye. Ghost rise on Halloween. Boo. That's what a ghost says. Boo. Little ones, stay safe inside. It's best to stay at home and hide on hallowed Halloween. I see more green eyes. I wonder, what are they? A vampire and a werewolf prowl. One growls a growl. One howls a howl in praise of Halloween. Ooh. He has some big teeth on the sides, those fangs. Two witches grinning witchy grins have pointy hats, and pointy chins. There's a point on their hat and the point on their chin. They are here for Halloween. I dressed up as a witch one time for Halloween. What about you? Cover eye and cover ear. Nightmares walk the streets of fear on dreaded Halloween. I do not see any green eyes now. Where did they go? Goblins, gremlins, skip and leap. They never rest. They never sleep. They're glad it's Halloween. They look like they are having fun. A devil prances fiery red with horns a sprouting from its head. He knows it's Halloween. There's that tree again with the scary face and the bark. Thunder, thunder, up above. What is it, mother? Shh, my love. It's the thump of creature feet. A creature in a winding sheet. His claws are dragging on the floor. He's crashing, smashing at the door. I think I'm gonna get scared. And we see those green eyes again. They're back. Will he find us here below? Shh, my love. I cannot know. Trick or treat, it's Halloween. Am I the scariest thing you've seen tonight on Halloween? He's asking the old lady. What is he dressed up like? That's right. He's a mummy. He has toilet paper bandages wrapped all around him. He's a mummy. He did not see us, and he didn't care. We weren't the ones he'd come to scare this night of Halloween. Do you see him? What has green eyes and that would be under the house by the steps? Did you see all of these creatures so far? I think, have been kids in costumes trick-or-treating. It's quiet now. The monster's gone. The streets are ours until the dawn. We're out. We, prowlers of the night, who snap and snarl and claw and bite. Who had the green eyes all along? They're not scary, are they? They're just little kittens and cats. We stalk the shadows, dark, unseen. Goodbye until next year, Halloween. And there's some of our fall pictures again. And we're at the back of the book, so we're finished reading. Thank you so much for watching this video and reading with me today. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, give me a thumbs up down below. But be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notifications whenever I upload new videos every week. Thank you for watching.